Okay, so how I made flashcards for my class. So I looked for a template like this one. Um, you can just I chose a template on Canva and I got this one that I liked, and then I started to modify it. Like, yeah, so let's do an example. Um, say I want now the mitochondria. Let's go mitochondria. Okay. There I have this one. Let's take this one with color first. Okay. So just a side note, if you're going to use this for free, like in your class, that's fine. But if you want to sell it maybe on Canva, then the copyright is a little bit tricky. So you need to like change the picture or the color. So it's not like the original one. You need to kind of like make it then your own. So I look there at the top. There is the color of the mitochondria, and then I just change it a bit. Like, then it's a totally new design. It does not look like the one that you would find there if we would like put it side by side. You can even like make it um totally like more. You can change it even more. Then I'm just thinking I want to get something else maybe here. Let's put power station of the cell. Again, you need to change your template so it doesn't look the same as if you're going to sell it. So like if I don't want that color, maybe I'm going to make it a little bit lighter. This one I'm maybe going to make it like this, but now I don't like it that looks the same. I want a little bit of contrast. And maybe I can also get, let's put a rectangle there just to give it a little bit more contrast. And then it's already like to the back. I can also change that one's color, so that's nice. Maybe we can make it like this. No, I don't like that a lot. But then you can kind of like do that for now um for each card. Mitochondrion. Mitochondrion. So then you can do that for like each card. I did it like this. And I made also one that's black and white. We can also use for like if it's not for a little bit like a color saving one. So there you have it, an easy way to make flashcards for your class in Canva. And then if you maybe want to sell it, then you just change like your element that you got and the template, change the color a bit more, or you can go to Creative Fabrica and then some of those templates when you buy it, and even some of the freebies, then you have the copyright to resell them. So I've put a link below if you want to look at Creative Fabrica. I've used it in some of my designs that I sold, so it's also a nice place to look at. So just like nice stuff to design for your class. So I hope you have fun designing.